students, I welcome you all once again to my channel Geography Studio. Today I am going to start chapter 4 Human Development Manav Vikas, book 1 Fundamentals of Human Geography. So let's start. Question number 1. What do you understand by human development? हम मानव विकास से क्या समझते हैं? And the answer is human development is the development that enlarges people's choice and improves their well-being so that they can lead a healthy life with dignity. विकास का मूल उद्देश्य यह है कि लोगों का जीवन सही हो. विकास लोगों के विकल्पों चॉइसों में वृद्धि करता है, उनके जीवन में सुधार लाता है, उनके लाइफस्टाइल में सुधार लाता है. ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट इज डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द पीपल, डेवलपमेंट फॉर द पीपल एंड डेवलपमेंट बाय द पीपल. The question number 2. Who introduced the concept of human development? मानव विकास की अवधारणा किसने रखी थी? And the answer is it was introduced by economist Dr. Mehboob ul Haq. Question number 3. Who spelled out the ideas of quality of life and freedom of opportunity? किसने जीवन स्तर शैली को सुधारा था और किसने इसको प्रपोज किया था? And the answer is Amartya Sen and Mehboob ul Haq spelled out these ideas in late 80s and early 90s. According to them, development take place only with positive growth in the quality of living of the people. The question number 4. Which agency brings out the Human Development Report? किस एजेंसी ने Human Development Report रखी थी? And the answer is United Nations Development Program published Human Development Report since 1990. According to UNDP, a meaningful life must be a life with some purpose. This means that people must be able to develop talents, participate in society, and be free to achieve their goals. Now the question number 5. What is the important aspect of human development? सबसे महत्वपूर्ण पहलू मानव विकास के लिए कौन सा है? And the answer is long healthy life with dignity. Question number 6. Which pillar means to have power to make choices? कौन सा ऐसा स्तंभ है जो लोगों के लिए के आर्थिक व सामाजिक रूप से लोगों को मजबूत बनाता है? That is called a empowerment. It means to have power to make choices which comes from increasing freedom and capability. सशक्तिकरण, लोगों में आज़ादी रहती है अपने अनुसार विकल्प चूज करने की. And the question number 7. Which is the oldest approach to human development? कौन सा ऐसा पुराना उपागम है जो मानव विकास के लिए important था? And that is a income approach. This is one of the oldest approach to human development. Higher the level of income, the higher is the level of human development. Question number 8. Which approach targets all development activities and emphasize government expenditure for development? कौन सा ऐसा उपागम है जिससे मानव का विकास होता है और जिसमें ज़्यादातर गवर्नमेंट का रोल होता है? And the answer is welfare approach. This approach looks at human beings as beneficiaries or target of all development activities. The government is responsible for increasing level of human development by maximizing expenditure on welfare. And the 9th question is, which approach proposed by the International Labour Organization? किस अप्रोच को इंटरनेशनल लेबर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ने प्रपोज किया था? And the answer is 6 basic needs approach. ILO ने इसका प्रस्तावित किया था. इसमें 6 आवश्यकताएं थी: हेल्थ, एजुकेशन, फूड, वाटर सप्लाई, सैनिटेशन एंड हाउस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. Which index is more revealing? किस इंडेक्स को सबसे ज़्यादा प्रकाशित किया गया था? And the answer is Human Poverty Index, HPI. Question number 11. Which country has top rank in SDI? कौन सी कंट्री सबसे ज़्यादा टॉप रैंक में SDI में है? Norway ranks number 1 in SDI. Norway, that is a country in Europe. This is a very high ranked top rank in SDI. Question number 12. Which country has lowest rank in SDI? that is called a Niger has the lowest SDI in the world. Niger, that is a country in West Africa, landlocked country. नाइजर जो नाम रखा गया है वो नाइजर रिवर से रखा गया है वहाँ पर. And the 13th question, which state in India has its highest rank in Human Development Index value? कौन सी इंडिया में स्टेट है जिसमें हाईएस्ट रैंक ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट से होता है? Kerala. Kerala, when the lifespan is higher, education level is higher, and gross national income is also higher there in Kerala state. Question number 14. How is Bhutan different and special? कैसे भूटान different और special है? As it is the only country in the world which has officially proclaimed the gross national happiness as the measure of the country progress. इस country में जो gross national happiness count की जाती है वो उसकी happiness पे count की जाती है. country की progress जो count की जाती है वो उसकी gross national happiness में count की जाती है. And the question number 15, which is the most important pillar of human development? कौन सा ऐसा स्तंभ है जो बहुत important है, बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है human मानव विकास के लिए? The answer is equity. Equity refers to making equal access to opportunity available to everybody. Equity means equal opportunity for all. The opportunities available to people must be equal irrespective of their gender, race, income and caste. Thank you. That's all for today. So student, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Hope you all like it. Thanks for watching.